Let me show you how to actually reset your PIN or pattern security on your new Galaxy Watch 7. So if you have forgotten it and can't get access to your watch, well, yeah, we actually need to fully factory reset this watch, and really there's really no way to bypass this security and get really access to all the data on it. So yeah, that's what we have to do basically. And to do that, we are going to simply click and hold these two buttons and hold them for like maybe 10 seconds. So ignore this and basically keep holding. Okay, then turn off and start pressing this upper button a few times. Okay, and as you see, you will see this menu. Then this is what we have to do. We have to use this upper button basically to cycle down. So press it several times till you see this recovery option here. By the way, do not press that factory, you need to press this recovery. And to select it, simply hold this. Okay, and it will restart. Okay, and then you will get this menu here. Then we have to basically cycle down using this lower button now. So cycle down till you see your wipe data and factory reset. By the way, if you actually have a Google account on this watch, you will actually need to log in again with that same Google account. So you actually need to know password on your like Google email address. So then select with this upper wipe data, again cycle down to factory data reset and press this button basically to confirm, and it will start the reset process. So I won't do that at the moment, and we can press this to go cancel and exit it out, reboot it if you don't want to, or if you changed your mind basically. And yeah, once you actually reset your watch, you will need to set this watch up from like a brand new start, and will need to connect to the phone again. But again, be aware that you will need to enter your Google password to actually start using this watch. If you don't really remember that, maybe really don't do this procedure, and maybe try to guess that PIN or pattern first, because you might actually brick your watch otherwise. Good luck.